Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Sounds and Haptics right away. Now you can tap on Haptics under Ringtone and Alerts section and adjust haptics for ringtones and alerts by clicking on the best option from the list of available ones. Always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. I will go with never play, so when I click and go back, I can see that my choice was saved right away. Now you need to scroll down and click on Keyboard Feedback under System Sounds and Haptics. Now you can enable or disable haptic feedback for your keyboard by operating this switcher next to haptics. Following that, click on those two switchers next to Lock Sound and System Haptics to turn them off or on. When you finished, tap on Ringtone. Now, by selecting Haptics section at the top, you can choose the best option for haptic feedback. If you want to apply one of those vibration patterns, just tap on the best one. You can also choose Synchronized at the top, and this way make your haptics always be synchronized with ringtone. If you want to, you can also scroll all the way down, tap on Create New Vibration, and create your vibration pattern. When you finished, hit Stop at the bottom right corner. If you wish to redo it, select Record at the bottom right corner as well. Then, create a new one and tap on Stop again. You can always play it back by hitting Play on the bottom left corner. Now, to save your new vibration pattern, just click on Save. Then name it however you wish to. As you can see, my new custom vibration pattern is over here. If you want to disable vibrations completely for your incoming calls, scroll all the way down and tap on None. You can do exactly the same for your text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, and even reminder alerts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!